Hi, welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. Tension was reported in Dandagaro, Katsina metropolis after some angry youth confronted Hausa actor Musa Mai Sana'a at the Welcome to Katsina gate while he was promoting President Bola Tinubu. The youth reportedly warned the actor to stop the campaign, telling him this is not a place to campaign for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The situation quickly escalated with some youth allegedly attempted to attack the actor's security personnel, however, intervened and escorted him away from the scene. Musa reportedly fled the area in the process, leaving his cap behind. The incident has sparked concern over the growing tension surrounding political disagreement, with call for political differences to be handled peacefully. Former Kaduna State Governor Nasiru El-Rufai has filed a fresh 10 billion naira lawsuit against the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) over the alleged denial of access to his wife and son while in custody. El-Rufai, through his lawyer Obank Akpan, filed the suit at the Federal High Court in Abuja on August 13, 2026. The ICPC chairman and the Attorney General of the Federation were joined as the second and third defendants. The former governor is seeking 9 relief, including a declaration that his fundamental rights remain protected despite his detentions, and that the alleged denial of access to his family members violated constitutional rights. The Academic Staff Union of Universities (ASU) has raised concern over the politicization of academic staff recruitment in Nigerian universities, warning that the practice is threatening the quality of tertiary education. The union also criticized the conversion of non-academic staff into academic positions without proper qualifications, training, and due process. Speaking at a press conference at the University of Jos, ASU Zonal Coordinator for the Bauchi Zone, Prof. Timothy Namo, said the prolonged delay in staff recruitment had created serious manpower shortage in the university system. Namo alleged the politicians, including senators, member House of State Assemblies, and other influential individuals, were interfering with recruitment by presenting lists of candidates who were often not qualified for academic positions. A senior lieutenant to notorious bandit leader Kachala Muhammadu, identified as Bilia, has reportedly been killed during a military operation in the Matazu area of Katsina State. According to security analysts, Bilia and members of his gang were operating in the area on August 14, 2026, when they were reportedly ambushed by troops of Operation Pansanyama. The report said information about his death emerged from a conversation between two suspected bandit associates, Mimio and Julie Aso Maha. Mio reportedly confirmed that Bilia was killed after security forces attacked the gang. His reported death has allegedly caused anger and frustration among the bandits, as Bilia was considered an important member of Kachala Muhammadu's group. Now, from the international scene, the Iran-US Memorandum of Understanding signed in June has expired today, Monday, with talks to end the war deadlock. Senior Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Commander Brigadier General Yadullah Javani says Iran's defensive posture is poised to shift to an offensive one under a new maximum deterrence policy. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us on Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.